Welcome to Health and Wellness. Today we venture into the heart of a season that has touched lives for centuries. A season that in its essence carries a profound spiritual significance. That season is Christmas. With the scene set, let's delve into the historical context that shapes our understanding of Christmas. It's important to remember that while Christmas is celebrated worldwide, its roots are deeply embedded in the Roman and Judeo-Christian traditions. The holiday we know today evolved over centuries, influenced by pagan festivals such as Saturnalia and the winter solstice, which celebrated the return of the sun. As Christianity spread, these celebrations were gradually incorporated into the Christian calendar. The date, December 25th, was chosen to coincide with these existing festivities, and thus the celebration of Christmas was born. This amalgamation of cultures and traditions is a testament to the universal nature of the season's underlying message of hope, joy, and love. Picture a chilly winter's night, a star gleaming brightly in the inky sky, guiding three wise men on a journey of faith. This is where our story begins. Christmas, in its most traditional sense, is the celebration of the birth of Jesus Christ, but its spiritual meaning extends far beyond religious boundaries. Christmas is a symphony of universal virtues. It's about love, compassion, and joy. It's about the warmth of a family huddled together, the sparkle in a child's eyes as they unwrap a gift, and the contentment that comes from a hearty meal shared with loved ones. In the stillness of the winter, we find the rhythm of our hearts beating in unison with the spirit of Christmas. But the spiritual essence of Christmas isn't just about the joy and celebration. It's about a deeper, more enduring sense of love. It's about reaching out, about extending a helping hand to those in need. It's about giving without expecting anything in return, a testament to the selflessness that lies at the core of human nature. Christmas is a time to connect with our innermost values. It's a time to pause, to reflect, and to express gratitude for the blessings in our lives. It's a time to extend goodwill to those around us, fostering a sense of peace and harmony that transcends the boundaries of our immediate world. In the hustle and bustle of the holiday season, it's easy to lose sight of the spiritual meaning of Christmas. But it's in the quiet moments, in the shared laughter and the exchanged gifts, that we truly understand what Christmas is all about. So, to summarize the spiritual essence of Christmas, it's a celebration of love, compassion, and joy. It's about selfless giving, about reaching out to those around us in a spirit of goodwill. It's about connecting with our innermost values, expressing gratitude, and fostering peace and harmony. In the end, the spiritual meaning of Christmas is a journey towards a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the world. It's a journey that we embark on every year, guided by the light of a star and the warmth of our hearts. And with that, we come to the end of our story. A story that, in its simplicity, captures the profound spiritual significance of Christmas. As we navigate through this festive season, let's carry with us the essence of Christmas, the spirit of love, compassion, joy, and selfless giving. And let's remember to extend that spirit to those around us, fostering a sense of peace and harmony that resonates beyond the boundaries of our immediate world. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the spiritual meaning of Christmas. Until next time, wishing you health, wellness, and a heart filled with the spirit of Christmas.